Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Here's the thing about laundry. I love good, clean, fresh smelling laundry, but I don't want the scent to knock me over. That's why I've fallen in love with these Downy light scent beads. These are the white lavender scent. I love scent beads because you are in control of how much you put in. So you can completely tailor how much scent you want. Now on the cap, there's different lines that give you suggestions for maybe where to start, but there's no rules here. You can add as much or as little as you want. I think the beads themselves, the way they're scented, they're not overpowering in general. For me, this is perfect. My whole family loves how their clothes smell. I'm happy, they're happy. So if you want your clothes to smell fresh and amazing, I think you're gonna love these Downy light beads just like I do. But that's just my point of view.